everyone. So I don't know if you guys can hear that slight noise behind you, but that is AC. So Megan and Haley left yesterday. I ended up just like hanging out, doing work all day. I tried to actually go get pizza again at the place we went the night before, but they don't do takeout. So I ended up just going to this taco stand and sitting and eating tacos and then coming back here and sleeping. I also ended up switching rooms as well, and this new room has AC, which I'm very thankful about, because just when you're getting ready in the morning, having AC is just so nice, so then you're not like sweating profusely when you're trying to put on sunscreen and all that. Anyway, so very happy about that. But I'm actually headed out on a day trip today. I'm going to Romblon, I think it's called, the islands, with Cody and then these two other Filipino Instagrammers. And so we're all taking a boat there, and I'm very excited. I originally was gonna just like chill out for 4 days and not do anything, but they had stuff planned, and I was like, you know what, I'm only here for a few more days. I may as well get a few more adventures in that I can film for you guys and show you how to get there. So we're gonna do that. I need to head out right now. I'm meeting them at the pier, so I'm gonna hop on my bike. We need to pick up snacks as well, because it's not actually the typical boat tour that most excursions offer. You actually have to ask around, because it's about a 2-hour boat ride to get there, but I've seen photos and it looks absolutely beautiful, and I think we're paying about 1,000 pesos per person. Alrighty, and I have met up with everyone. There's a group of about 6 of us, so I'll introduce you to everyone once we're on the boat. Oh my gosh, I just realized. Okay, so we're at a meat market, a little scarring. There's like a pig. Oh, that's just, its limbs are just detangled in front of me. Oh my god, okay. Ooh, this is why I'm becoming a vegetarian. Oh, this is honestly that truck. I can't even look at that truck. I'm gonna get some bananas as well. We have made it onto the boat, and I want to introduce everyone, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and let them say their names. All right.
Hi, I'm Bang.
I'm Todd Hunter.
I'm Angela.
And I'm Leonard.
Everyone's disembarking. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really know what's going on, but we just arrived in Sohoton, and it was about an 1.5-hour boat ride. I don't, we've arrived at like a dock area. I think like the cool, like really blue pools are inside the mountains. Do you know what's going on?
There is no plan whatsoever. This is what happens when you kind of rent a boat. You just show up and you're like, do we get off? Like, what do we do?
Yeah.
So we're gonna figure it out as we go.
Yeah, and the other guys, yeah, they don't also, not 100% certain what's happening. So you guys are coming on this adventure with us. Like, do we go inside the mountain area? Or is this it?
It seems like it.
So there's like basically, looks like a food area, and there's a whole bunch of boats and a whole bunch of people.
I'm just waiting for my watermelons to roll into the ocean. My watermelons, no!
Do we have any answers, guys? Oh, yeah.
Proceed now to table 1 for the registration.
Step 1, we're going to register for something. What? We don't know. Oh, okay. So we enter a cove. These are the rules. Okay, step 1. Step 2, payment. You get a table. Okay, so I think we figured out what's going on. So basically, we just took an 1.5-hour boat ride from General Luna, and then we arrived at this little dock area, and what you have to do is you have to pay a fee and sign up, and then you get a number for a smaller boat that's going to take us inside the cove. And so basically you're going to be paying for 2 boats, because we just randomly hired a boat. The guy didn't really know what was going on either, like the guy driving the boat, but there's actually a lot of people here. It's about 50 pesos per head if you're local, and foreign it's 100 per head. So it's adding up to be a bit of an expensive tour. We paid about 1,000 for the boat, and then it's about another like 300 to 400 once you get here, and then depending how many people you have, it's an 8-person boat that's like 830 pesos, and so just make sure you have a bunch of cash on you when you come. But everyone's just waiting here, and you get on these like tiny boats with a helmet and a life jacket over here. And so I'm like, do you bring your stuff? Like, these people have backpacks. Okay, so only stuff that can get wet. Yeah, okay.
Only the small.
It's small, okay. Yeah, so we have to leave. Oh, yeah. I guess we're all shooting with the GoPro. We've gone to locate our boat driver because we all have stuff we can't bring. We thought this was more of like a, you pull up to a beach and do drone shots and get some cool B-roll, but we have to get completely soaked apparently at one point, because it's kind of like the underground river in Palawan, if any of you have been or heard about that. The group's feeling slightly stressed at this point because everyone has cameras and gimbals, and now we get to leave it on a boat in the middle of the lagoons.
I don't know.
Okay, coming in.
Just do what they say.
All right, guys. So we're. I'm so glad. What if? Well, we obviously couldn't bring our backpacks, but like we're on a surfboard basically. It's We've arrived at the lagoon, and the photo we actually saw of this place, turns out it's just around the corner. But this is some of the clearest water. I know I keep saying this in every single vlog, but this is actually some of the clearest water I've ever seen. So anyways, we're on an adventure. I put myself to work to get us there quicker. Cody's not doing anything.
I'm the filmer.
Yeah, I told him, get the content, Cody.
El Nido. So this water is insane. And you said there's turtles here?
Okay, so we've now arrived in the jellyfish lagoon. In the photos there's a lot more jellyfish, but honestly most things on Instagram are photoshopped, so I'm assuming that's what it is. But there are like one or two, and they don't sting, which is good. We can actually swim here as well, so let's try not tip the boat.
Whoa!
There we go! Oh, this is lovely. I also need to pee, so I'm just gonna swim. If you have the time, I definitely recommend doing this because it is actually really cool. And since it is the weekend, it is a bit busier because you also have the locals here as well. And oh, I'm getting hit by a boat. Did you say you were forced to jump?
Maybe.
It's just like the day of confusion, and I just don't know what's going on.
Wow, that is shallow.
People who are claustrophobic. Yeah. We're going through that like tiny little hole there in the cave.
It looks like you're about to be baptized.
Oh god, oh god.
Okay, relax. I'm scared. Okay, that's fine.
Oh wow. Thank you. Well, that was quite the experience. Hey Laura, can I take a photo? Yes, let's do it. We are back on the G7X. We ended up using the GoPro, or I mean the Cody's GoPro, basically to film us in the caves and stuff, but it was actually really cool. I know I was kind of confused what was going on at first, but after we figured everything out, it was really awesome and we had a great day. We're flying the drone right now. There's 3 of us that has drones and the shot looks really cool, so I'm excited to see what's unfolds. We're letting Cody go first, so in case anything goes wonky.
The drone's not working.
Oh, is it actually not?
It's not connecting.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
The screen.
Did you guys have fun? Was that enjoyable?
2 AM in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning.
We have stopped off at a resort just around the corner from where the tour was because we want to fly some drones on this really beautiful beach here, and we think this place is called Sohoton Grand Resort, I want to say. We don't know. Anyways, I'll let you know guys know in a sec. This is called Club Terra, so there you go. But we're gonna get our drones up and I want to get a really cool shot basically on the beach.
You got me sleep deprived.
A successful drone flight, didn't crash the drone, that's always a great day, and I learned a new move, a cool like panning up thing. Anyways, we're gonna be here for about 5 more minutes and then we're hopping back on the boat and we have about an hour and a half drive. No, we're in a boat. It's not a drive, it's a boat. A sail. Alright, so we are back now. That was a really long boat ride back. It was super bumpy and the seawater kept like getting pelted in all of our faces. But I think we're gonna go back and rinse off first before we go for dinner because we are all covered in seawater. Alright guys, so that was it for the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure to give me one of your thumbs if you did, and also follow me on Instagram down below and leave a comment letting me know a fun fact about yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.